In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to Power BI, effortlessly integrating these two powerful tools to streamline your business analytics. Whether you're a finance professional looking to enhance your reporting capabilities, or a business owner aiming to gain deeper insights into your operations, this guide is here to help you unlock valuable data-driven insights by connecting Xero, your accounting software, with Power BI. To get started, you'll first need to open a web browser and perform a Google search for the tool called Connectorly. Once you've done that, look for the link that specifies Xero and Power BI. It's usually the second link that appears in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to navigate to the right page. When you reach the Connectorly website, look for the option to start a free trial. You'll need to log in to proceed, so make sure you have your credentials at the ready. This step is crucial as it provides temporary access to the service, allowing you to test the connection between Xero and Power BI thoroughly before committing to a purchase. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll notice a plus icon on the platform. Click on it, as this will enable you to initiate the process of linking the two applications. After selecting the plus icon, you will see the option to Connect Xero and Power BI. Select this option, and you should see a prompt offering a free trial of this connection. Don't hesitate to click on Try Free. This will kickstart the integration process, seamlessly knitting together your financial data with your reporting capabilities. Next, you'll be directed to a page titled Go to Your Connections. This is a crucial step as it helps verify that your configuration was successful. By clicking here, you ensure that Xero and Power BI are indeed linked as planned. Upon navigating to this page, you should find your Power BI and Xero applications listed, confirming that the connection was successful. At this point, if everything is set up correctly, you'll have a robust connection between your Xero and Power BI applications, enabling seamless data transfer. This connection will empower you to visualize your financial data within Power BI, leveraging the advanced analytics capabilities it offers. By following these steps, you can transform your raw accounting data into actionable insights. Remember, accessing real-time financial data via Power BI can enhance decision-making processes across your business. Share your newfound insights, create interactive reports, and empower your team with the data they need to make informed decisions. And there's no need to worry if something doesn't work out on the first try. Simply revisit each step, ensuring details are correct, and you'll soon be on your way to improved business analytics.